Good evening, everyone. This is the voice of Coach LANREX. This is the first time I'm coming across my video. Please do to subscribe and turn on the notification button so anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to see it. And please do like and share this video so you can put it to wider audience. So again, I'll be dropping the link to my community and my WhatsApp group. So if you are interested, please just do well to join the group also. If you have any question, just join and ask your question. So they also will post IPN update and how to make money through service. And the update we have before today is called School Lady. And this School Lady is a gaming platform that pays you for playing games. It's also an entertainment-based platform for us. It's usually for it usually pay you for playing anything you do on the game, maybe by playing game or by interacting with apps. So they pay you for that. Now, without wasting much of our time, let me just explain to you how to play the game. Now, just come here and click on start your game. Now, just have in mind that whenever you don't play a game whenever you're not ready to play a game, because if you click on this start game, they're going to minus from your life here, and that's the red art there. So it is red art that will determine the number of games you play. So when it is finished, you have to watch advertisement to renew it. So for you not to waste it, to just get ready and play the game and complete the level. Now if you want to play, just click on start game. Now, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to allow passage for this lady to come to this place. Now, it's just like a mind game. You're going to pay attention. Now, you let her to come to this place. This one will take her up like this. Can you see it? This one will take her up. So, can you see it? Can you see it? Just very simple. And you confirm. So that's just it. So let me explain some things. We have the green note and the coin here. Now this coin, this one is the main withdrawal. Now this one, can you see there's no any withdrawal balance? Why? Because any reward you earn, either the coin or the green note, everything is freezed. Everything is freezed. You just come here. For you to unfreeze it, can you see it? For you to get free of freeze, you must complete 10 levels. Can you see it? I've gotten a free of freeze. I can also sell your coin. If you cannot complete, can also sell this coin, this star, to get unfreeze for your coin to unfreeze. Now that is how you can unfreeze your coin to make it withdrawable. So that's that. And these two places here, that's where you are going to you'll be interacting with apps. All these sites, you interact with it, just interact and just wait like 10 seconds, then click on the back button so you earn your reward. So if you are not new to this all this type of gaming platform, you will know how to navigate everything. So now the next thing is that you are going to locate. So this place, I'll drop the link to this particular game in the comments, so just go there. I'll also be dropping the code. So that code, you can come here and find and put it here. So when you input this invitation code, you also receive extra green note. So for you to earn your also, you are going to. So this green note, can you see that there's also an option for it? Can you see that there's no any withdrawable balance here also? This one, you are also going to go and unfreeze it. If you come here, can you see we have the green note and the coin. Now when you click on unfreeze, it will unfreeze it too. Hope you are feeling it will unfreeze it too. So that's about that. And we also have progress. So also come here and tracking your progress. Whenever you see clip, just claim anything that is available. So can you see I've moved to chapter 2. So here is your mission. Anywhere you see, just come here and check other mission you have not completed and try to complete it. As you are completing also, this will also be dropping also. So I can click on automatic collection. So whenever there is receipt here, to just collect it by it automatically collect it. So that's automatically. So and also you can also invite your friends they are your friends, just click on invite here, copy the invitation code and the link for them to just fill in that particular distance, and the code, just copy the invitation code. That invitation code I will drop in the comment section. Also, you just come here and put it here, so you can give you extra 1,400. So don't forget about that. So I also drop the link to this particular app, this cool lady in the comment section. So just come here. So just go to that link in the comment section and click on it and start the game immediately. So that was all. And how can you withdraw it? The payment option is PayPal. You can use your PayPal to withdraw it. You can either use your phone PayPal or you can use your Nigeria PayPal. All can go. Hope you are following me. So that was all about cool lady. So please please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.